Mallacoot's calm embrace, reflections dance on water's face. Sky and lake in harmony, painting scenes so dreamily. Glass-like surface, tranquil, clear, whispers of the evening near. Nature's art in every hue, peaceful moments, skies of blue. Warm and calm, the sun descends, casting light as daylight ends. Gentle breezes, soft and mild, touching hearts with nature's wild. From every angle, beauty shown. Mallacoota's charm is known. Scenes like these forever stay. In our hearts they find their way. Reflections of a perfect day, captured in the twilight's play. Evening falls, a gentle sigh as the stars begin to fly. Magic in the quiet scene, nature's wonder pure and clean. Sunsets glow on lakes' expanse, creating dreams with every glance. Nature's whispers, soft and light, guiding us into the night. Mallacoot's calm embrace, reflections dance on water's face. From every angle, beauty shown. Mallacoota's charm is known. Scenes like these forever stay. In our hearts they find their way. Reflections of a perfect day, captured in the twilight's play. Evening falls, a gentle sigh as the stars begin to fly. From every angle, beauty shown. Mallacoot's charm is known. Scenes like these forever stay. In our hearts they find their way. Reflections of a perfect day, captured in the twilight's play. Evening falls, a gentle sigh as the stars begin to fly. Peaceful evening, soft and bright, Mallacoot's endless light. Nature's whispers, soft and light, guiding us into the night.